Welcome everyone. Today we are going to guide you through the process of submitting a Google Doc on Brightspace. This method is particularly useful for sharing documents that are easily editable and accessible from various devices. To begin, ensure that your Google Doc is ready for submission. Check the content, formatting, and permissions to make sure everything is set correctly. If you want to share it with only your professor or someone specific, type the email address of the person in the Add People section. You can also give this person editing rights, commenting rights, or simply a viewer. You can also choose to notify people, which will send them an email that the document is ready to be viewed or edited. If you don't want to share it with anyone specific, you can leave the document open for anyone to view or edit. This means you're making your document public to anyone who may have the link. It also means that you will need to have the link available to send to people who you want to view the document. To do this, go back to the previous screen. Under General Access, click Restricted and change the permission here to anyone with the link. Choose the permission you want them to have when they click your link. You have three options here. They can be a viewer of the document, which means that they can only view it. Or, if you prefer, you can make them a commenter, which means they can only comment. Another option is to make them an editor, which means that they can also edit the document with you. Choose Copy Link and then hit Done. Next, log into your Brightspace account and navigate to the course where you intend to submit the document. Find the Assignments section, which houses all the assignments for your course. In some courses, your assignments might be organized into folders labeled with specific tags such as Week 1, Week 2, Assignments, or Classwork, similar to our setup here. It's often most effective to locate your assignments within these folders, as your instructors may include related files and lectures that are pertinent to the assignment. However, if you prefer a direct route, you can also navigate to the Assignments section to find your assignments. This alternative method provides straightforward access, although it may bypass additional resources stored in the organized folders. Select the assignment to which you want to submit your Google Doc. This step directs you to the specific task you need to complete. If your professor asked you to only submit the Google Doc link you just copied, you can scroll down to the text submission area and submit the link you copied earlier. If the paste option is no longer available, simply go back to the Google Doc and copy the link once more. If you want to be really fancy, you can place text in the editor and attach the link to the text. To do this, add the text you want to include, highlight the text, and then choose the link option. At the top, insert the link you copied, and then choose Apply. Note that you have created a link. Either way you choose to do it is fine. From here, you can choose the Submit option. Once you have done that, you're done and can move on to the next assignment or task. If you get an error saying that a file is required, it means that your professor wants you to submit the actual document to this area and not just the link. To do this instead, look for the option labeled Choose Existing or something similar. This is your gateway to linking your document. Choose Google Drive, continue to Google Drive, and from here, choose the Gmail you used when you created the Google Doc. Choose Continue, and then navigate to the location in your Google Drive where the document is saved. Once you have found your document, choose Upload and attach it to the assignment area here. Finally, click Submit to complete the process. This will send your Google Doc to your instructor for review, and that's it. You've now successfully submitted a Google Doc on Brightspace. This method not only ensures that your document is submitted correctly, but also allows for any last-minute updates you might need to make. We wish you the best of luck with your assignments. Happy learning, everyone!